Hi, thanks for joining me today. I've had so many people asking, how do you do that black and white pour that you did with kind of a granite marble looking effect? In fact, I posted just a little end snippet video of the one I did before this one that we're going to learn today. On Pinterest, and it already has like over 2,000 views of people asking, how did you do that? I really want to learn how to do that. So today that's what we're going to learn. It's basically just using a canvas, whether it's a 10 by 10, 12 by 12, 11 by 14. They all will work. I will go over all the materials and supplies needed. I tell you what, it's so much fun and it's so easy. And it's all done with this little kitchen strainer. I will provide you the links on where you find these supplies online. A lot of it you can get through Amazon and delivered right to your door. So it's really a lot of fun. You will learn how to mix the paints for the acrylic pour method and how to apply them to your canvas, how to maneuver the canvas to get the granite marble effect. And I tell you, it will really empower you to keep wanting to paint more. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm really glad you joined me, and I'll take you through every step of the way.